So continuing with the previous video, walking out of the master bedroom suite area, we come into the main corridor of the house. Now here, starting from this section, up to there, up to there, up to this corner, this is all the living room area. See that? It's very spacious, as you can see. Let me stand here, give you this view. You can see it. It has also 10-foot wide door, 12-foot wide aluminum door. This is all living room area. You have the corridor space that we talked about, 1.5 meters. And then from here to this side is the dining area. You see that? Up here. So if you stand here, you'll be able to see this whole area here is dining area up to here, and then the kitchen moves on up to there, up to where the gentleman is standing, then back here. Okay, so let me go there and show you. I'm standing in the kitchen right now. In the center of the kitchen is where I'm standing. So this is all dining area right here, and then the living room is there. Okay, the outside balcony is here. As you can see, you have your washing machine, it's already there. You have your drainage, etc. This is the area where you can do your laundry. And then when you come here, you have your fourth bedroom. You might call it a maid's room, a high school kid room, etc. It starts from where that column is all the way up to here. And then when you come in here, you have the closet here. Of course, you have a big window 5 feet by 5 feet, and then the bathroom section here as well. So we haven't built this wall here, but once we build this wall, you'll be able to see this bedroom well, and you'll also be able to see the dining area well. Okay, this will be open. You can use it for your charcoal stove, for laundry, for whatever you want. Dirty kitchen, anything is fine. The entire house actually moves up to this place and connects to that column, and then covers this whole place. Okay. Of course, we have our elevator shafts going up as well. As you can see, that's that square thing there. This right here, that's our elevator shafts. Okay, you can see the stairs going up the elevator. Right. Let me show you from this side so that you can see it. Well, stairs coming up. You see that? Staircase. Okay. So we are setting out for building additional walls, as you can see, with the string coming. See them over there? Right. Everything is measured with strings to ensure that we have straight lines. You can see it here. See the string over here, going just by the column. See the string? Make sure everything is straight and well done. Right? Okay. So this is the second residence. They haven't put the walls up for it yet. It's work in progress, as you can see. This is a duct that we're building for the water pipes, sewage, drainage, etc. It will come through here and go inside this duct here. Okay. He's building the same thing over there as well, just so you know. How it looks so far. Very, very well done. I'm very happy with all the work that is going on currently. Okay, we have materials being uploaded on the site. have our carpenters on site. Site is very busy. People are running around doing their jobs, their chores. We have materials coming in, as you can see. Right. We have you can see over here. Right. Speaks for itself, right? Speaks for itself. Coming in. Okay. Looks good. I'm happy. So I'll update you on the next session when we have additional progress.